Let's see how to create an order form in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, to create an order form, there are two ways you can do this. First is by going through the manual method of creating tables and then filling it out manually. So to create a table, simply head on over to the Insert tab right here. Click on Table. Let's add 5 by 5. And let's do quantity, unit, description, unit price, and the amount. And let's go ahead and adjust these borders. And down here, let's merge right in total amount. And that's basically uh, the manual way to create your order form. So you can go ahead and fill this out. For example, quantity 3, unit 1, and unit price, for example, 20, and the amount would come out to 60. So that is how you manually create an order form in Microsoft Word. Another thing you can do is by heading over to the template section by clicking over File, and right here, click on More Templates, search for Order Form, and that should show different templates for order forms. As you can see here, simply download it. And now we have an order form template that we can edit and looks way more professional than the one that we made. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.